Hey everyone, this is First Warren Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Pam. Just a quick update on the severe weather situation. While it looks like we're almost in the clear, we're really not totally in the clear. And here's why. We've got this little band of heavy thunderstorms back to the west, and you can see we've actually got a couple flood warnings in the upstate of South Carolina into North Carolina, where we've got some really heavy rain falling right now. I'm going to turn those off and kind of give you a good view of this. That line is really moving along there to the north. Now the individual cells are moving pretty quickly, but the whole line is taking its sweet time getting through Greenville. Eventually it's going to move up through Spartanburg, and until this line moves through, we're going to the potential for maybe a spin-up tornado or severe thunderstorm warning along this line. It's probably for the next couple of hours. The atmosphere is still pretty unstable across the Piedmont. Even though we had earlier rain showers, we still have some heat and humidity ahead of the main cold front. Once you get behind the cold front, things stabilize pretty quickly and you start to get into some much drier and more stable air. So we'll go in real closely and kind of show you where the heavy rain is falling now from Marion up into Avery County, down through Rutherford and Polk County, and then it really gets nasty when you get down here around Greenville County, back through Piedmont, and then all the way back down to the Georgia line. We'll take a quick look at the Doppler velocities. And no rotation in here right now, but you can see we've got some really strong straight line winds around Abbeville, due west. Things calm down a little bit up towards Piedmont, but then you get towards North Carolina around Chimney Rock and up into Asheville. These are pretty strong winds blowing through here right now. When you look at the velocity data, I'll kind of cue this real quick, and you can see, now again, this is about a couple thousand feet off the surface, but with some heavy rain, you're getting 40, 50, 60 mile an hour winds that could be mixing down to the surface. So right now my thinking is in the next couple of hours we are going to see this line move through. Once it moves through, things will actually start to wind down a little bit, but that might take all the way until possibly 11 o'clock. I'm going to do a real quick storm track on this line. It's not in a real big hurry to get out of here, so just to give you a rough idea on when it could be in the I-77 corridor, it looks to be around 11 o'clock or so. Boiling Springs around 8:37, Lenoir 9:30, Hickory closer to 10, Gastonia 10:30, and Interstate 77 maybe around 11 o'clock. So that gives you a quick update on what's going on. We'll keep things up to date on Facebook, Twitter, and of course we get any warnings we'll be cutting in. If it is during the voice, we will be very careful about how we cut in, trying to cut in during commercials only and not interrupt your whole evening. But that's a quick look at what's going on with the radar. Hope you're having a great evening, and hopefully I won't see you till 11 unless there's a warning.